Hey everybody, so we are going to dive in to another foundation slash palette. Try it, whatever we're calling it. And we are going to, I gotta turn my light off because I don't need other light. My hair is wacky crazy today. It is Monday. I've been laid up all weekend. Right now, I'm on so much medicine because first thing I want to do is, let's put some, I washed my face this morning, but then I laid back down. So let's just take some cotton squares and some of my Mario Badescu aloe vera toner, and let's just get the rest of that good cut off of my face. So yeah. Woke up this morning, like I said, feeling better from the cold. Started to get myself ready to go to work. And my bag was like, no, you're gonna pay the price for being laid up all weekend. Thank you, back. You're so kind. Alright, we're going to put a little moisturizer on our face. And we are going to put some moisturizer on our eyes. My eyes and my face. And put my little stuff right here. I have so many things in front of me. It's hideous. Hideous. I tell you, hideous. Okay. So I used this yesterday. This was Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. It seemed to work pretty good, and I'm pretty dang dry right now. We're gonna put some of that on and let our face get all nice and soft while we're doing our eyes. So, the foundation I'm going to use today is my Marc Jacobs Remarkable. I think this is my Remarkable from... Yes, Remarkable foundation. And I have the coconut primer that goes with that. So we'll use those two today, and then we're going to use our Rust Stat from Melt Cosmetics. Because I'm just making a mess. Seriously. Alright. So we are going to do something with this. I'm going to try and be cute, and I'm going to tear something up. So I'm going to put a little eye cream on. This is the IT eye cream. IT Confidence in an eye cream. It's just a little sample I have. So put some of that on our eyes. It's probably more than I need, but that's okay because they are so dry. And we're gonna put some primer on our eyes. I'm gonna be 4 minutes into the video. And I haven't even done anything. It's hideous. Hideous. I'm trying to be organized. I really am, but it's not working out so hot for me. My poor Liz. Poor Liz. For those of you who watch me all the time and provide or comment on my videos and stuff, you'll often see Liz commenting. She's a good friend, a good gal, and she needs prayers for her family right now. Just her messaging me. Okay. This is my pink chili pot. We're trying to use up. Probably could have pushed myself and gone to work today, but dang, I'd have been hurting bad. Bad. I'm hurting bad right now. Alright. Alright, brush cleaner. Yep. Camera cut off again. I don't know why. Alright. So, we're going to go into... I really don't like this thing being all stuck together. I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Antique. And I'm going to put that in my transition. That's going to be my transition shade. I still have not been able to get my hands on the smoke palette. I'm going to get it though. I'm on like a serious low buy. You have no idea how many times the Lime Crime XL2 palette has been in the cart and ready to be checked out, and I'm like, nope, not yet. Like, my birthday's not too far away, a couple months. I'm like so afraid it's gonna sell out before then. Or it may be my vacation present. I always buy myself something on vacation. It's kind of weird. Alright, I'm going to go into this color right here. It's called Rubbish. Put that in my crease. So pretty. I want that smoke palette so bad though. So what's on my radar right now is the smoke palette and the Lime Crime XL2 palette. Those are my two things, which is not bad for me. That's all I want. Like, I did a video, and I don't know if I ever put it up. Can't remember. It was with the Cover FX, the new foundation, the one that turns to matte. It's like, anyways. Oh, it turns to powder. That's what it's called. Something Power Play or Powder Play, but it is so good. It is good. Actually, I'm gonna carry this all the way into the front of my eye because we're not gonna play around with this too much. Kind of getting darker. I haven't touched the light color yet. So here is the actual color Rust. And I may just get a little bit. I'm going to go in with more of a pencil brush in that color. So I can be more precise. Yeah. This is like something that should stay out on my vanity. Because I do love it. And I was watching somebody, because I watch a lot of people on YouTube. I just, everyone is creative in their own way, and I just enjoy watching people. But the gal I was watching, she was doing an eyeshadow declutter, which I need to work on. She was talking about if she doesn't see her products, she doesn't use them. Well, I am stuck in that rut. This is dark brown. It is called rot. We are not in a rot. We are in a rut. So I'm just building a V with this. So she was talking about, if she can't see it, she doesn't use it. And I was like, it's That's where I'm at right now. Because I'd gotten away from switching out my stuff every month. I was doing really good with that for a while, and then I slacked off. I need to get back in the zone on that. Because I think it would help me use up some of my stuff. So, I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which I think is, it's called Classic. And I'm going to go on the inner part of my lid. Just a little bit. Lighten that up some. Doesn't do a whole lot, does it? Kind of goes away. I probably should have started with this. Me fault. It's on me. Alright. So that is my rust stack. Oh, in the top of the little rust stacks, there's mirrors. They're so cute. There's 2 more stacks I want to get, but it's like not a priority. But one of these days I'll get them. Oh. Lime Crime on sale at Hot Look. Okay, I think I'm okay with that. Alright. A little bit of mascara and a little lipstick, and we are set. Too bad our hair isn't set. It's like, no, bitches, I'm doing me today. Put a little Marc Jacobs lippy on too. This is just our Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. Okay. Let's get our little Marc Jacobs lippy. A couple of them actually. This one is in Role Play. It's a little mini. There we go. And then we'll put on our Marc Jacobs setting spray. This is the coconut setting spray. that's it. So, this is the look I got using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Foundation. And, oh, my breast stack from Melt Cosmetics. So I'll be back in a little bit just to check in with you to let you know how the foundation is holding up. And I'll see you in a few. What I would repurchase. I'll see you next time. Mwah.